So in today's video, we're still at the historic Vigan here at Ilocos Sur. And today, we're gonna check out one of the luxurious hotels here at Vigan City, the Hotel Luna. We're gonna check out their rooms, their amenities, and to see what type of experience we can get from this hotel. And at the end of our video, I'm gonna tell you guys if it's a hype or is the actual reality, if it's worth staying over here at Hotel Luna. So just a quick disclaimer before we start this video. We're not affiliated, sponsored, or endorsed by Hotel Luna. So all our comments, all our opinions, it's based on our personal experience while staying over here at Hotel Luna. So if you guys are ready, let's go check in. As soon as you step inside Hotel Luna, you immediately feel that mix of history and elegance. The interiors are clean, classic, and very well maintained. It really gives you that premium heritage vibe. So first impression, not bad, but let's not judge yet until we see the room. So we're here at the front desk to check in. The process was actually smooth and straightforward. Staff were polite, quick, and very accommodating. It didn't take long before we got our room keys. So we got our room key. Let's go check out the room to see if it's actually worth it. Our first impression is, I feel like I'm walking back in time. Right when we entered, here on our left side, we have this wooden door. You got this beautiful carved wooden cabinet, and inside there's a safety box plus extra storage, very useful for travelers. Also on our left side, they also provide this mini bar. They have a mini coffee station, kettle, cups and tea, and some snacks. Simple but definitely convenient. So let's check out our sofa. Right here is the lounge area of the room. You got this comfortable sofa setup with multiple pillows. Perfect if you just want to sit back and relax. In front, there's a simple wooden coffee table where you can place your food, drinks, or just chill while watching TV. And speaking of that, there's a wall-mounted flat-screen TV right in front of you. So after a long day exploring Vigan, this is the perfect spot to unwind. It's simple, not overly fancy, but it does the job when it comes to comfort. And guys, look at this vanity area, featuring a beautifully carved wooden mirror that really stands out. The design gives off that classic old Spanish era vibe, very detailed, very elegant. You also have a small desk and chair, so you can use this space to get ready or even do a bit of work. So in this room, everything that they put over here, they really think about it for you to have this classic Spanish era experience. Now, let's check out our bed. The heart of the room is this beautifully crafted 4-poster canopy bed. Draped in soft, flowing fabric, it creates a sense of privacy while adding a touch of timeless elegance. The dark wood frame paired with the crisp white linens brings together a perfect balance of classic design and comfort. It's not just a place to sleep, it's an experience, one that makes you feel like you stepped into a different era. Quiet, refined, and effortlessly charming. Like, look at this one. Even the smallest details, like this bedside corner. Right beside the bed, you'll find a small bedside table set against a textured brick wall that adds depth and character to the room. The soft curtain gently framed the space, creating a sense of privacy and calm. It's these subtle details that completes the atmosphere. Simple, yet truthfully designed to match the room's timeless charm. Now, let's check out the bathroom. Just beside the bed, The bathroom is tucked neatly behind this frosted glass sliding door. The design keeps the space feeling open while still maintaining a sense of privacy. It blends modern touches with the room's classic aesthetic, subtle, clean, and functional. The sink features a uniquely shaped basin set on a dark stone countertop that adds a sense of contrast and sophistication. Above it, a beautifully carved mirror continues that timeless design, tying in perfectly with the room's overall aesthetics. Towels and robes are neatly arranged, offering both comfort and convenience during your stay. One standout feature here is the modern smart toilet. It comes with a built-in bidet function, adjustable settings, and even a drying feature, adding a touch of comfort and convenience to your stay. It's a small detail, but definitely something that enhances the overall experience. The shower area continues the room's refined design, featuring a rainfall shower head, elegant gold accents. It creates a more relaxing and spa-like experience, perfect after a long day exploring Vigan. The space is simple, clean, and designed for comfort, with essential amenities already provided. This layout is compact, yet functional, providing everything you need in a clean and well-organized space. It's simple, practical, and seamlessly integrated into the overall experience of the room. It's not about the comfort, it's about the ambience, the character, and overall experience. And in Vigan, Hotel Luna stands out as one of the most luxurious stay you can have. So let's check out their hotel lobby. From the moment you step inside, you can already tell this is not your typical hotel. The ambience immediately feels refined and luxurious, with a perfect blend of classic Vigan heritage and upscale design. The polished marble floors, rich wooden staircases, and carefully curated artworks create a space that feels more like a private gallery than a hotel lobby. Every corner is thoughtfully designed, from the sculptures to the vintage-inspired details, giving the entire space a timeless, almost museum-like elegance. As we make our way upstairs, you can really appreciate the craftsmanship of this place. The solid wood staircase, the intricate railings, and the warm lighting all come together to create a space that feels both grand and inviting. It almost feels like you're stepping into a different time where every detail was designed with elegance in mind. And honestly, moments like this are what make this hotel stand out as one of the most luxurious stays here in Vigan. So we're here at the second floor, and that door right behind us, that's our room. Hotel Luna, on the second floor, they have this small museum. So let's go ahead, let's go check it out. As we make our way through the second floor, this is where the experience becomes something truly special. What sets this hotel apart from the rest is that it's not just a place to stay, it actually houses its own small museum right here inside. As you walk around, you're immediately surrounded by an impressive collection of paintings, sculpture, and carefully curated artworks. Each piece feels thoroughly placed, giving the entire space a sense of purpose and identity. From classic portraits to modern interpretations, from intricate sculptures to beautifully framed artworks, every corner tells a different story. And what I really love about this is that it doesn't feel forced or overly staged. Instead, it blends naturally with the architecture of the hotel, the high ceilings, the detailed floor carvings, and the heritage-inspired design. This is what makes this place feel more luxurious. So we're done with our gallery. Let's check out the rest of the place. So we're here right now in like the middle of the hotel. It's like a little patio. The moment you step into this open courtyard, everything just opens up. From the natural light to the architectural detail to the overall atmosphere. You're surrounded by beautifully designed balconies layered across multiple floors with classic arches, white columns, and intricate iron railings that really gives off that European-inspired heritage feel. At the center, you got this pool area that adds up a refreshing contrast to the entire space, making it both feel relaxing and visually stunning at the same time. And what I really like about this design is how everything connects. The rooms, the hallways, and the open space. It all comes up together to create this grand, almost resort-like experience right in the middle of Vigan. Even the details around you, the brick accent, to the decorative railings and the overall symmetry of the structure. Everything feels carefully planned and well thought out. It's the kind of space where you can just stop for a moment, look around, and really appreciate the architecture and the ambience. And honestly, this doesn't just feel like a hotel courtyard. It feels like you're inside a luxury villa or a heritage mansion. So we're done with the courtyard, and let's go explore some more. So if you're having problems with mobility, they actually have elevators. So we're here at the ground floor by the pool area where you're checking out the pool. It's actually like this over here. Hidden right at the center of this hotel is this quiet little space that almost feels untouched by time. Surrounded by Spanish-inspired walls, arcs, and balconies, the pool becomes more than just a place to swim. It becomes part of the experience. The sunlight reflects gently on the water, creating this calm, almost peaceful atmosphere. It's simple, relaxing, and very intentional. And in a city like Vigan, where everything feels historic, this space fits perfectly. They have a gym, so let's go ahead and check it out. If you still want to stay active while you're traveling, Hotel Luna also has its own gym. It's a compact space, but it's equipped with the essentials: cardio machine, weights, and enough to get you a quick workout in. You got dumbbells here for strength training, perfect for a simple routine. And for cardio, you can hop on the treadmill, burn some calories, and stay consistent even on vacation. So over here by the ground floor, by the pool area, they also have like a restaurant. So let's check it out what they have on the menu. It all starts here with the menu that blends local Ilocano flavors and classic international dishes. From traditional favorites to comforting familiar meals, each dish prepared to give you a taste of both culture and comfort. But beyond the food, it's really the atmosphere that stands out. There's a certain warmth in the space, quiet, relaxed, and inviting. Paired with the exposed brick walls and Spanish-style arcs, it gives the place a timeless and almost historic feel. Just beside it, the bar adds another layer to the experience, a place to unwind and enjoy a slower pace. It's not about eating here, it's about the whole experience. So we ordered bagnet rice, this vegetable, I forgot what it's called. This one is like dinakdakan, and this one is like a popular Ilocano dish over here in Ilocos. So yeah, even this vegetable is also like, you know, like one of the popular dishes that they have in Ilocos. We just finished taking a shower. We took like a hot shower because on the other hotel they don't even have one, so that's good. It's kind of relaxing. So we're gonna wrap it up today. Then tomorrow we're gonna get breakfast. We'll check their breakfast out and we'll call it a day. Good morning. It's 6:30 in the morning. We had a good sleep. Look at my nightlight. It's so cute, dude. Top of the bed, right? And yeah, TV. There you go. There's our TV. Well, the thing with our TV is like every time we fall asleep, it turns off. I noticed that because like, you know, like every time like I woke up like in the middle of the night, it turns on again. That's cool. Like when you wake up, this is what you see, like on top of you. Right there you go. So cute. Right. Yeah, your bed is so old school, right? But you know it's nice. Bunch of pillows, comfortable. Right. So now we're gonna go to the restaurant again to check out their breakfast. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning. We're heading downstairs to check out what they have for breakfast. So good morning. We're still here at Hotel Luna, and I think this is one of the best way to start your day. Breakfast by the pool. Morning comes gently here. Not rushed, not noisy, just calm. As the day begins, the hotel slowly comes to life, and right at the center of it all is breakfast. The setup is simple but thoughtfully prepared. From warm dishes to fresh fruits, breads, and coffee, everything you need to start the day is right here. And just beside you, the pool. The sound of water, the quiet surroundings. It changes the whole experience. You're not just eating breakfast, you're taking your time, sitting down, enjoying the bite, while the morning light fills the space. It's not overly exaggerated, but it feels complete. So now, the real test. Overall, Hotel Luna is not just a place to stay, but an experience. But of course, experience will also depend on the person. But for me, I really enjoy the comfort, the experience, and the overall vibe. So our big question is Hotel Luna a hype or is actually worth it? So I'll just let you guys decide what you've seen on this video. So if you like our video today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell for more of our travel videos.